The Interior Masterclass has just received another big update with an additional 3 hours of content now available. In the newly released Module 3, we delve into the process of creating a rustic kitchen scene in Blender. To celebrate the launch of Module 3, I've created a 30% discount code for Gumroad. Simply use the code 30OFF at checkout. You can also take advantage of a discount on the course at Blender Market through the rest of the week as part of their annual summer sale. With the addition of Module 3, the total length of the Interior Masterclass now exceeds 14 hours. This course covers the creation of 3 distinct environments, including a modern bathroom and a Victorian living room. This course isn't a typical follow-along tutorial. Instead, it's a detailed showcase of my workflow, where I demonstrate my approach to problem solving and my general philosophy for creating stunning interior scenes in Blender. Thank you to everybody who's already purchased the course and all of the lovely glowing reviews people have been sending me. If you have already bought the course, it will be available with the new module for you to download wherever you originally bought it.